Taking sides today on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nik Manojlovich. Today it's all about our red lentil side dish. So fantastic. Before I share the recipe with you, how about we invite you to visit our dedicated website, weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting us, please subscribe to our website. You're probably watching this video right now on our dedicated YouTube channel, and if you are, subscribe to it as well. Finally, look for us on your favorite social media platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. This red lentil side dish is one of the first things we posted when Weekend at the Cottage first launched. The one thing we didn't do was shoot a video. Every time I make this recipe, I'm like, Nick, shoot the video. Well, today I put my foot down and I'm gonna walk you through step by step how to make this very delicious side dish. It works with meat, fish, poultry, but it's also really delicious on its own. And if you're a vegetarian, you're especially gonna like it. You could serve this as a main course instead of a side. Now to begin the recipe, we're over to stovetop. I have a medium-sized pot, medium-high heat. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. As soon as the coconut oil melts, I'm adding 1 chopped Vidalia onion. Stir the onion in, we're gonna cook till it softens a bit, and then we're gonna hit the pot with 3 really bold flavors. I have 4 cloves of garlic chopped, 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh ginger, 1 jalapeno pepper also chopped. Those 3 ingredients into the pot, stir them in. We're gonna be using red lentils for this recipe, so I wanna boost that color. I'm adding 1 can of tomato paste, and here comes your big flavor profile for the recipe, 2 tablespoons of ground cumin. I have 2 cups of lentils. I've rinsed them a few times. I'm adding them into the pot. Now we need some liquid to cook those lentils. We have 4 cups of vegetable broth. And to give this side dish a little bit of sweetness, I'm adding 2 carrots and 2 parsnips. They're chopped. Add them into the pot, stir them in. We're gonna cover, reduce to simmer, and you're gonna cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. When the lentils and carrots and parsnip are soft, we're gonna take them off the heat. Let the pot sit for 10 minutes before we lift the lid, and then we're adding the juice from 1 lemon. We're gonna add some chopped parsley for color and flavor. Give it a stir, and then you're ready to enjoy. And as I mentioned, you're gonna enjoy this with meat, fish, or poultry, or even next to your favorite vegetarian main. Red lentil side dish. So delicious. Enjoy.